You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest hour. You're my savior when I'm full. And you may not think I care for you when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to solve. I really should have shown how deep is joy. I really need